issued a tornado warning for northeastern Williamson County until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over Granger, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Taylor, Granger, Bartlett, Granger Dam, Lanaport, Hoxie, Waterloo, and Hare. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile
Taylor,
home,
yep.
or in a vehicle, move
City
to the
of,
closest substantial shelter and protect yourself
City
from
of Granger's
flying
under
debris.
this.
This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is